Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Police Give Entitled Teen Mom a Lesson She Won't Forget. That's damn. Teen Mom? Y'all remember that TV show Teen Mom? Let's get into it, man.
Today on Uncovered.
Push, don't shut me! Don't touch me! No, don't touch me! No!
On March 8th, 2024, police received a call about two young women fighting outside of their apartment building and causing a disturbance to other residents. When officers arrived to investigate, they weren't expecting things to get this intense so quickly.
How you doing, ladies? What's actually going on? I got a woman running around the back of building 200, banging on things.
There's two, I think there's two girls there, and they're screaming. She was screaming, "Get out of my house! Get out of my house!"
All right, let me go take a right over. Let's see what's going on. Yep. Hey, miss, did you happen to call us? There's somebody running around out here? I hear him in here. 70. It's going to be room, or correction, apartment 210. Police department, open the door. It's the police department.
The suspect answers the door and gives officers a very rude and entitled tone of voice. The situation goes sour very quickly when she tries to shut the door on the officer's face.
You don't have the right to open or search my door, so I'm not going to be opening my door.
Okay, what's going on here today?
Okay, nothing. I'm moving out my stuff and I'm cleaning out my stuff.
Okay.
You don't have a right to open or search my door, so I'm not going to be opening the door. But she opened the door. Huh? What she said? Oh, we gotta run that back, boy.
Open the door. It's the police department.
The suspect answers the door and gives officers a very rude and entitled tone of voice. The situation goes sour very quickly when she tries to shut the door on the officer's face.
You don't have the right to open or search my door, so I'm not going to be opening my door.
Okay, what's going on here today?
Okay, nothing. I'm moving out my stuff and I'm cleaning out my stuff with my sister's
Are you guys
house.
fighting with the sister again or having an argument or something?
No.
Because we got called for some sort of a disturbance. People were
Yeah,
yelling.
I'm sure it was upstairs, right?
No.
The assholes, okay,
No.
wherever it was, well,
Okay.
they're just haters and they've been stalking me probably.
Okay.
And I should call the police on them, but no, me and my sister.
Who else is here?
My sister, she's staying here. She does not live here. I live here. I have the lease.
Yeah, okay.
Me and her are cleaning. We were arguing. We were making a TikTok. I don't know if you guys are familiar with TikTok.
Yeah. What's your first name again? What's your sister's name? Can I talk to you?
We're in our bras, respectfully,
Hello.
but you know.
How you doing, miss? Do you mind just stepping out here and talking to Officer Praggart?
Yeah, can I go sit here?
Go for it.
I'm gonna shut my door now.
No, we're gonna leave it open for the time being, okay?
No, you don't pay my rent, so I will be.
If you try to push, don't
shut me! Don't touch me!
Now you're under arrest. Now you're under arrest. Now you're under arrest. Back.
Get off me! Stop! I'm not trying to stop. Just stand over here. Stand over here. Stand over here. Go. I'm sorry. Take a breath. Come over here. Take a breath. Let go of the. Stop.
Back up.
Stand over here.
No, it's recorded.
Stand over here.
No, it's recorded.
Stand over here.
Put your hand on your back.
This went from 0 to 100, didn't it? But not this one, but the other one, she better be real easy, boy, because she's definitely interfering with, with what they got going on. So unless she want to go to jail too, she might want to, just follow what the female officer is saying. Step aside, chill out.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. That's fine. Put your hand behind your back. Stop fighting with me. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. I know you
shut the door in your face.
Stop resisting.
No, don't touch me!
Stop fighting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
You're hurting me!
Stop resisting. Give me your other hand.
You're hurting me!
Give me your other
You're
hand.
hurting me! I have asthma!
Give me your other hand.
We're cool. No! Work it! You f***ing asshole! No! Why are you happening this? What the f*** is wrong with you? No! No! No!
The other girl is a complete idiot. Honestly, she is a complete idiot. The fact that she's actually got herself jammed up in the situation, got herself hemmed up in the situation because she wasn't leaving the situation alone and let them deal with the other sister. She wanted to involve herself. Well, this is what you get. You want to get involved? Okay, well, you could go too. Come on, man.
What the f is wrong with you? You're racist! You're racist!
You got a man?
While the officers place the suspect's sister under arrest for obstructing justice, the suspect runs away while still in handcuffs. The deputy chases her shortly after.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's
She's
lit.
handcuffed. White shirt, purple pants.
She ran a hit.
Stop.
No! You're on recording! I will record you! No!
Stop.
Stop! You're hurting me! Why are you grabbing my hair like that? No, stop touching me! Can I put my hand on the floor? Right here. There. Okay. There. Right here. Okay.
10458's on the way.
That's so bad.
You did. You did.
I'm so mad. I know it.
7-0.
All you had to do was talk to us.
I got 2 females, 10-11.
I know. I can't even get mad because I'm like, this is why I got arrested the first time.
10-4, you need anybody else out there?
No.
7-0.
Stop touching me! Why are you such a...
You know what I get from this? I think separately, well, this one, the skinnier one, she's more of a problem child for anybody and everybody. She's probably a hot mess. The other one, she probably, she could get like this as well, but I think she's a lot more mellow. But when she gets with her sister, it just explodes. You know what I mean?
So, why are you touching
We can slow it down. I got 2 females, 10-11.
Oh.
Come on.
You're an asshole. Leave me the...
You need anybody else out there?
No.
Yeah, send a township, please.
No, don't touch me. You're an asshole. Stop, leave me alone.
Stop. Do not kick me again.
No, I'm not trying to kick you.
You are trying to kick me. Stop
I want you
it.
to stop touching me. You don't know what I've gone through.
Stop fighting.
No, you don't.
Stop fighting with me.
After apprehending the suspect, the male deputy radios the assisting officer to call for more backup.
I'm good. Did you get her?
Yeah, I got her here by the main office.
I don't want.
You want me to secure her in a car and help you?
Yeah, if you can.
No, I
We're
don't.
fine over here now.
I don't want to be tied.
Let's go over here. No, we're not going anywhere.
I'm cooperating with you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I told you from the get-go to cooperate. Stop touching stuff.
I'm not touching shit. I'm not touching shit. The f are you talking about? I'm not. You're hurting me. The f my nigga. Like, I don't even have shoes on. You're stupid.
Tell the car.
You're dumb. You're stupid. You're f***ing stupid as
Maybe you
hell.
should stop drinking.
Don't push on me. Don't push on me. You're
Stop drinking. Maybe you should stop drinking. That's funny.
We're good. Okay. I can, but she keeps trying to kick me, so.
No, she
I'm
just.
not trying
You all right
to
over there?
kick you.
Yeah, we're good.
I'm not trying to kick you.
If you want, you can wait with her. I'll wait till
I'm
Tasha
not
gets her. We'll
trying to
escort her
kick
over.
you.
They're drunk.
I'm not
Yeah.
drunk. You're trying to manipulate me into this situation. You're an asshole.
You're the spit master.
No, I'm not drunk. You're
I
trying
can-
to manipulate me into this situation.
Take a breath.
I don't know why.
Take a breath.
I just want to shut the door.
Okay. I told you
I
you can't do that.
Shut the door.
No, you
but
can't.
This was gonna happen.
You cannot hit a police officer, miss.
I didn't hit you. I shut
You
the
did,
door
miss.
in your face.
And you spit at me, so stop.
Because you shut the door, and I know my rights.
Relax, stop yelling.
I know my rights. So you're getting sued. Now I'm spitting on you because you're getting sued. Because you're over here detaining me, right? Putting your hands on me, right? Because all I did was shut the door in your face. So therefore you're gonna get sued. No, get your hands off of me. You don't have any warrant to restrain me. Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off
Stop.
of me! I'm restrained!
Stop. Stop.
Get off of me! Where's your chief of police? I have to pick up my son. And you're get off of me!
Do you have a spit mask?
What?
Spit mask?
No.
You're triggering me.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
No, I'm not the f***ing problem. I can't breathe because I can't breathe.
Just get a spit mask.
Stop touching me! No, don't put me there. No, why? No, I'm not a dog.
Upper pocket.
No, please, why you just...
That's fine. Just slide this over and then
They put a muzzle on her like a dog. You hear me?
we're gonna take this other mask off her for a second, okay?
Relax your
Sit
feet
your head up,
and we're
bud.
gonna sit you up, okay?
Sit your head up, miss.
Come here. Roll over.
There you go. Can we just roll on her side? Can
Here.
we take the can we take that off now that we got
Relax.
this on?
Relax, okay?
There you go.
You want me to just on it?
Just put it like towards the back, just so it's out of the way. All right, let's sit her up.
Come here.
You have another one under? Come
Yeah,
you
she's
wanna
in
go
my
back to
Coleman's there.
Is he good?
Is that better?
Just walk over with Sean to her car. We had her
Through
sister.
your nose, out through your mouth, okay? In through your nose, out through your mouth.
Stand right here. Officer Ridley's going to search you, okay? Do you have anything on you? You got it? Yep.
Come on, we're gonna go towards the car.
No, I was...
I don't know who else is in the house. I'm just going to go check real quick and
No,
make sure
I will
there's...
put a restraining order on you and I will sue you. I will sue you.
After placing the suspect in the vehicle, the male deputy enters the suspect's apartment to look for any additional clues as to why they were behaving erratically. The officers found no illegal paraphernalia, but saw open alcohol and lots of damaged items as if a fight had just occurred.
The handcuffs are probably cranked because she was wailing on me, so. And kicking the door. You need an ambulance? You want to get that looked at? Doesn't hurt, right? Alright.
At least not right now.
That's good. You want to stand up for a second? Do you keep anything in your bra, like money or anything?
Yes, but not at the moment.
Okay.
You can check though.
The suspects are searched for any weapons before finally being transported to the hospital to be evaluated.
That was probably the best I've ever driven to a car.
Cool. I hit the curb.
Really?
I knocked the alignment out of the car. We're good?
Nice. See, come on. Where, Horse Hill?
No, on the jug handler post, too.
Yeah, I'm up.
You got her up?
Yep.
The first suspect was charged with resisting arrest and assault on an officer. The suspect's sister was arrested for obstructing justice. If you enjoyed this
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.